Hi guys, hope you are doing well, and in this video I'm going to show you that how we can install the genuine Office Microsoft Office 365 in your computer, how we can download it, how we can install it. So let's start. So first of all, you have to open the Chrome browser, type Microsoft Office deployment tool. Then you have to click onto the first link, download Office deployment tool from official website. Once you click it, simply you have to download it. Once you download it, then you have to click on that. Then you have to go into the C drive, create a folder. We have already a folder of Office, or you can create it, paste it. Then you have to double click on it. You have to check mark, continue. Then you have to choose the same location. It is done. Now you have to download one XML file, configuration file of Office customization tool. You have to click onto the Office customization tool, Microsoft 365. Then you have to select 64-bit. It is already been selected. Then you have to select which year of Office you want to download. Let's say I'm installing Office Standard 2024. You can install at any one according to your requirement. We have to select this. Then these are the options, means these are the apps of Microsoft 365. Excel, PowerPoint, Word, all will be included in your package because it is a standard package. You can download professional package as well. Procedure will be the same. Hit next. Then you have to select the language, obviously United States. Then you have to press next. Simply press next. If the Office is already available, it will be uninstall Office first. So, or it is basically a upgrade option. So we don't have the Office in this computer. If you want to upgrade the Office, then you can select it. Otherwise, it is recommended that you have to keep this option off. In this computer, we don't have any Office. We are going to install first time. Hit next. Then scroll down. Hit next. Then scroll down. Then hit next. Then scroll down. Then you have to export the file. Finally, you have to export XML format. Click on the XML format. Then click OK. Accept and then export. The configuration file will be exported. You have to click on that. Download unverified file. It will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, copy that file, cut, go into the C drive, paste inside the Office. Then you have to open PowerShell or command line, whatever you want. I will recommend you to open PowerShell. Right click on it, run as administrator. Then we have to go into the C drive and we have to select the respective folder. Then we have to type setup. Space slash configure space and the name of this file, and then we have to hit enter. I have added this command, and dot backslash is necessary because this command is unexecutable and it is not found under the PowerShell. But if you go for the CMD, definitely you can execute that. You can also install from the CMD command line. So we have typed this, just you have to add dot backslash, then hit enter, and you can see that Office has been installation has been started. It would take little time, so I'm going to stop this video right now. You can see that installation has been started, so I'm going to pause this video right now and we will resume this video shortly. Once it is installed successfully, then I will show you. So Genuine Office Microsoft 365 is being installed in front of you. I'm going to pause this video right now, otherwise video will get longer. So you can see that Office has been installed successfully, and now we are going to close it. You can see that Office has been installed successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon and forward to your family friends. Bye bye.